Hear me now, people. May I go live 2 o'clock Jamaica time. I'm going live 2 p.m. Jamaica time. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. What up, what up, what up, what up? What up? Got up, got up, got up, got up. What up? Wanna deal it? Wanna deal it? Wanna deal it? Spice effortless. Me good as. Moby a queen fuzz fusion. Yo, lovely adorable. Yo, how them? What them I say? What do them there? DHQ head top, what go on? Sean Nizoka Pizzle. One day, Pretty China, Sash Money, Mr. Chin. You know the thing going on. Charles Design. What go on? Me here say nothing now go on, boy, you know. 4 months out of distress on under, you know. How what go on? Royal Entertainment. Buju Montana just say, so while we give them the place around them, couldn't run it. Fire 16, Sample King, Canada Crew, Alex the Boss, Lady Lee, Flipper 81, the legendary Gaga Atlanta Crew, Zay Ishsashi, Tiana 1894, yeah? Ron JM 19, ATL King Icons, Cams Fun Size, Movie Star, Sassy Dior. Huh? What am I saying? I'm lucky. Godson! What go on? Fuji Line 19, big up yourself. McClearly Davian, Dushan Icon, Daphne. Huh? What am I saying? Pimping up top, Chinny Unique. Huh? What am I saying? 11 GGVV, Sunflower, Daisy. Huh? Me gain the world 221, Cutie Achiever. Huh? What am I say? Dancer Bling, Chinny Unique. Yo, Capricorn, Protocol Boss. Everybody asks me where me there. If I Jamaica me there, or me there Florida, or them send private plane, me show you where me there. But you see where me there? Quarantine and look. Quarantine. We have 6 people in here, under 10. We know the rule, 6 feet apart. No one do. Share luxury doll. Thick as Tish, DJ Wave. What am I say, Mr. Chin? What am I say? Miss Fair Weather. Tai. What go on? Smith, what go on? Island girl to the thing. What go on? What them say me there? Where me there? North side. Alright, you don't believe me. How this? Let me show you how this. How this people? Yo, quarantine and trim. What am I dealing with? What am I dealing with? Okay. Paris World. Goods at them. What am I saying? What am I saying? We're inside although we're outside. Yeah. What am I dealing with? Eh? Fuck it, what go on? Guyanese and me, what go on? Musical Empire, what go on? Sandbox, what go on? Out Renee 630. Up to the time, it's Vibes Cartel. Alongside Renee 630. Tell the girl them move with them panty were dirty. Yo. Sexy red girl, what go on? Z-Core, what go on? What am I saying now? Leah Kareem, what's up, sis? You still singing and shit? I haven't been knowing what's going on. Pineapple, what go on? Just popping. What's up? What's good? What's good? What's good, fam? What's good? Share luxury dollar, I want to make you put up so much art. I walk one. So them say nobody not like me. I walk one. MJ Sashel, what go on? China nails put up beer art, what go on? Yo, if you did miss Foota, I put up beer art. Let me see beer art. Larry Flex, what go on? Diamonds, not glass. A beer art, more I see. Art. No man no put up no art, do you know? Any man put up art a bullet? Put up. Alright, brother. DJ Corey, well, England, you know. You know the thing going on. Me no want nobody on the live sneeze, you know, because me no want to catch no corona, you know. And the king will go on Guinness and Red Stripe and buckle water. No corona to a thing. Icon Records. All of the women them with Miss Foota put up art. Chinese chica, where you get so much different art. All Rasta art you have red, gold and green. No sir. Island girl to the thing. Yo. All ladies put up art if you don't miss the king. You know the thing go.
That's blowing.
You understand me, I say?
That's not.
Yeah. Royal Entertainer. Alright, people. Me not big up nobody yet. Me just want to big up the Almighty God. I want to big up
Come sit down.
the universe. I want to big up Mother Nature. I want to big up my ancestors them. Zine Smiley Inga, what go on? Ladies, if you don't miss the king, you put up their heart and fire. The thugs them, if you don't miss the king, you can put a thumbs up or a fire sign. Zine, listen to me people. Them lock me up and them attack. Be a selector, I keep party and I say, him nah come back. Him gone to prison. Him done for. Even if him not go to prison, them are going to dip him. And we are run the place. Him career mash up. God just said, you don't want to lock up my messenger? God said, my Foota I put don't want to lock up? God just said, here, you see, since them lock up my messenger, may I lock up the whole world. Everybody broke and hungry now. Everybody stressed out. No stage show not keep. No show not keep. No dance not keep. No get together, no gathering, no nothing. Yeah, them have to let out the boss. Now not go free up. Now the country are nice again. Just give it a couple weeks. Just give me a couple weeks. Remember God know what I'm doing now. QQ what go on. I want to lock up God messenger. I want to do that. Then all the message are going to reach the people. Eh? You're not smart. Some people are rejoice. Oh, Foota lock up. You can't rejoice when the enemy catch a momentum on God people. Because God are going to react. God are going to react when if you know them something there. You understand? Remember last year, me telling you, say, 2019 is a year of change, and we are going to see things that we have never seen before. Here comes Corona. And Corona I done a build up from 2019. Here comes Foota I've locked down and be people are rejoice and have celebrate too quick. You understand what I say? So now if you understand, specs the boss, tell them. Them can slow we down, but them can't stop we. You understand what I say? So, me not take this for even hype on a special particular group of people. But if we don't get righteous now, this is just the tip of the iceberg. God just assure you how powerful Him is. God could have vanished the world in a 1 week or 3 days. You understand? You no pay attention. Alright. I'm not telling you about my situation yet, you know. Because we have a podcast for that. But I'm just showing you one scenario. Here comes a disease. I could compare Corona to AIDS. See? You know, say, more well vibes with AIDS than Corona. Because you know, say, if you catch AIDS, you actually do what you like. And you actually if you put yourself in a arm's way if you catch AIDS. But you know, say corona kill people we all not pay corona no mind. Corona trouble you all when you're not trouble corona, you know. Remember you have to go trouble AIDS, you know. Remember you have to go hunt AIDS, you know. Corona hunt people like how gunman are hunt food, you know. Bugsy Bam Bam, talk the truth. No, make we talk the truth. Remember say if you catch AIDS, you have to do something where you love. Because everybody loves sex. But when you catch corona, you don't have to do nothing, no. You could have been the holiest person corona box you. You could have been the smartest person with the most degree. Corona still a kick in your face. You could have a condom look more you catch corona same way. Think about it. Think about it. Make we talk. Make we think about it. On a serious level, everybody likes sex. Man likes sex, woman likes sex. So you catch AIDS through sex, right? Nobody not like corona, but you can't stop corona if it come for you. So who can stop corona from attack you? Uncle God. And God don't like some of you. Sexy poo, what go on? Corona no pick nobody special. So watch how corona style the people them now. When corona just come out, them say Uncle Chinese people have it. Here corona, we wanna ramp with? I'm not sure to say that Chinese people alone. Whoop! And clot over Italy, be a white people. And then them say only Chinese people are white people. Them come out here, them black people can't catch corona. Corona say, I that no pick, whoop! And slap one portion of black people around one part. And them comes about and say, Uncle all people are catch it. Here the young people them, yeah, we're gonna drink and party and sniff coke and take Marley and Xanax and all of these things. Corona just said, when you think gonna get to it, young people dead. Boop! Then them say, yo, Corona now catch baby and little picnic under 12. Corona say, when you know say when you no sin because you little but no mama and no father sinful. Boop! And kill a portion of picnic too. Corona no care. Corona. Here my little bitch in them at Jamaica. Yo, me don't know nobody have no corona, me general. I lie them I tell me general. Caribbean people get happy. Corona in the Caribbean. Corona take boat and plane and ship and kick down some Caribbean people. Crabber, what go on? Here's some girl. Oh, I got money in the bank. I ain't worried about corona. When the corona clot here, I call the doctor. Them say, no doctor, no work in, no babes. You have to go cut 2 lime and drink some garlic tea and some ginger. Cut 2 fat and go sleep. You hear that? Yeah. But Nicky Z official. No, I'm just being honest though. It's not like I'm trying to like I'm just being honest, you know what I mean? I'm just speaking facts here. Okay. Look how God is amazing. I was arrested on the 14th of December. That's before Corona got crazy. When Corona got crazy, I was already arrested. There was a guy in the holding era who represented as a female. I decided that I am not going to stay in the same vicinity as that person. So I requested to go to isolation. So I was isolated before Corona got so vicious. I was already quarantined before that happened because of my beliefs. My belief is that them and they're confused. Because if you identify as a woman, you're not in a man prison, you have to go one side, then you put you in a one lab. So, me lock up by myself, have my own room, with my own toilet, be in my own bathroom, and everything by myself. I could have dropped my soap all million times because I'm alone in myself. You understand? So I was already quarantined before any other madness start. So, me I try to show people say, when you're blessed, you're blessed. When you're blessed, you're blessed. You understand what I say? So you see the way how me stay and the way me love burn out some things, Me know the right thing me I do. You're gonna get pressure, but you can't weak. Cause the way how me stay, make me isolated before Corona get crazy. So all the prisoners them with a fret, but Corona me never afraid. You understand? But then Corona get crazy. Corona find the jail and start kill bare people. So today is the day where me not do me thank you them today. Me not do me shout out today. I'm just here to let people know that Foota Hype is outside. Foota Hype is in America. Lulu's Holistics, big up on yourself, you know, I'm a main sponsor. Foota Hype is in the United States of America. And I'm outside. I'm in the house, I'm outside the house, I'm in the shop, I'm outside the shop. You understand? I am all over. People want to pay attention because I not stay long enough. Crucial diva, listen. Stop, make some unscrupulous people who don't even know. Some boy who never see yet. Some boy where they on internet are going to let them know people business and them not know nobody business is because we own a friend them where we are par with, I tell them boy that we business. Your own a friend where you par with and talk to, I tell them boy they business. Them boy they don't know nothing about you, them don't know nothing about me. We deliberately do something yesterday to prove to the people them say some boy not credible. And here say them a work off. And here say them a work off. People, I'm telling you something now. Because I'm a fans. Some boy no know nothing about nobody. Are you own a friend where you par with? Are people who know things about you? I tell them internet boy about your life. They don't know shit. I'm show them that for purpose. Yesterday I show them that for purpose. Like it post something, like it never say Foota gone to Jamaica, like it never say Foota get deport, and them grab it and run with it. And put it up as headline like them know. And boy them credible. Who will be blamed for them actions? Nobody but who know. Only the fans are listen some idiot I talk about other people because they love hear about people downfall. So because they love hear about people downfall, them feeding it like a drug. If somebody come and say, you know, say Kim get a degree in a medicine and she's going to study medicine, it not go viral. Where them say, you know, say Kim pum pum click drop off, you don't want to hear that, you run, all if I lie. Because you not even question the fact, say, our Foota fi gone to Jamaica and the airport closed. Like, think. You just list, you ready to hear the negative about Foota because Foota talk so much truth we want to consider painful. You just ready to run with it. Why me would I follow somebody page where can't show them face? Why me would I listen to somebody who can't even be truth about themselves? Because you can't be truthful about yourself if you have to hide. If you're not true to yourself, or you're true to me. Like people who need to wake up. If somebody can't be honest with themselves, all of them are going to be honest to you. If me can't accept the fact that your foot big, them call it Foota Hype. Or me going to come tell you, say, your foot twist up. Me can't be honest about you if me can't honest about myself. Yo, like, I know him fi drink acid, you know. I uno fi drink acid. We follow and I listen to him. I know him come here say I burn out, you know. I uno the listeners me a burn out. Stop take internet information as the truth just because you are yearning to hear somebody's downfall. It don't add up. Just true me not like you. And somebody has said something bad boy, you make a run with it. No, me have to investigate and make sure it's true. Because next thing you run with propaganda now. You know much boy I see in a chat group and baiting yesterday. I say, yeah, him to get deport, him to go down to Jamaica. Whoa, him go over at work. Me can't go them when I like. I want to tell, I'm not going to get into that today. Because that is for the podcast. Because I am going to destroy some people. Because you have some boy and some girl, a pretender, and then I go on like them real. And this trip to jail showed me a lot of them. But that's not for today. Today is to big up God, big up Mother Nature, big up the universe, big up the Almighty Creator, Zine, big up my ancestors them. They were the head of my situation. Them lead me in the situation and them take me out. Okay? So today is not for the unscrupulous so-called friends that I thought I had. I will deal with Uno on the podcast and I am going to clot Uno on a stinking mama. Everybody. Okay? And I am going to big up the people them who helped me through my situation. Whether it's verbally, whether it's via text, whether it's via post, whether it's via prayer. But that is not for today. Today is just for God, Mother Nature, the universe, my ancestors, all of those things. Okay? My team getting no big up today. That's for the podcast. People, my podcast will be ready by Wednesday. I will give you information. I just want to ask my followers one thing. How can you trust a source that cannot be true to themselves? Una follow somebody information where you never see yet. Them so scared of themselves, them can't show them own face. But you are going to take what them say and run with it against somebody. Are you crazy? Oh, you are going to do that?
I can.
Oh, you are going to do that? Me supposed to can take off my glasses, so, and look for my fans them and tell them, say, me straight. Me not eat crutches and me not do butter. Me supposed to can do that. Now, if somebody can't even show them face, that means them have more insecurities than you where them attack to, you know. You don't realize that. And it amazes me how people are follow lose information just because it's negative. If a positive, yo, if it's positive information, on a repost. May I do a petition for try get release and Kerry ask people for repost it. And we can count the people that I repost. And we can count the people that I expect for repost or never repost. Because it's a positive light, they don't want to do it. Glam Trish, what go on? You understand what I say? You know how much time me come on the live and say positive things when me guarantee is factual and not even a professor at the university can counteract me and say me wrong. And nobody no put that viral. Nobody no say nothing. Watch when me clot everybody on the podcast come I got this some man and I got this some girl. You know why? Them use me and abuse me internet skill and my music skill and go on like me and them my friend. So guess what? I will talk my mind on my podcast. I don't care which friend become enemy after that. Yeah, I care not. Cassie Bless, big up yourself. Kimmy, you know me no big friend, right? Odette Davis. You know me no big friend. Zine? So, you know, yo, Aisha, you know me, right? And you know me can't keep it, right? You know, right now, me head a boil. For this them to the right, yes or no, right? But I've learned to hold composure and be patient. Girls, compatible, big up yourself. Paris World, I go and clot them till them now in a shadow. Listen to me. Me mad right now. Me happy and me mad right now. See? But I will hold my composure. See? Bishop Escobar, big up yourself. Sure, you know say me have bad stomach. Me can't hold it. See? Me cannot hold it. I am going to clot from left, right, center. Just wait for the podcast. Them are design the podcast now and thing. So we're going to deal with it. Today, I am Cam's fun size. Where is Leonie? Can I have a story for you two, you know? Yeah, can I say I'm a friend from the other side, right? Good. So, I say drink some water and then clot them, alright? So, people, I not stay long. I just forward for telling you, say, Foota hype is out and about and he's in America. Love Jamaica to my heart. Never switch from Jamaica. I'll give you the full details of all of that. A whole heap of things we have to talk about, you know. You understand? Because remember me say ancestors, you know. And me still in America. You have some people who say Jesus and them now have no visa now. So we have a whole heap of things to talk about. Remember somebody when me get locked up, one of them keep party and say me for dead, me forget deport and everything. And God let me out and put them in. So we have a whole heap to talk about. Okay? We got a lot to discuss. See? So, the podcast will be ready by Wednesday. You understand what I'm saying? We're working on the podcast right now. So, Wednesday, my fans, I love you. I love you. I love you. When you keep me going. I love you. And the haters, them, I love when you talk. I don't like you know, but I like when you talk. You know why? Because when you talk, my name. You give me name, energy. You understand? So, while me lock up for the 4 months, you rotate my name and I give me name energy. And everything you want to wish for, me just pray and say, God, every pit where them dig for me, make them fall in it. Me say, Father God, everybody where them wish for me, make it come back to their own self. Me say, Father God, make them fall on their own sword that they draw against me. And me witness be a people I drop. When I pray them people there, when I pray, I just see people that drop, I just see things that reach people. I just, every day I take up the jail phone and I call Kerry. She Google the world and put out her net so and bring and say Foota that happened, that one they have running belly, the one the teeth drop out, the one that, yeah, cowbuck that one there, that poop on that one there, that bare thing. Yeah. So we have a whole party. Crown troops in it to win it. You understand, so? People, I love you now. And see you either Tuesday or Wednesday. As soon as the podcast ready, sure, it's not P-A-D, I said podcast. P-O-D. Alright, me I'll change the name. As soon as the podcast ready, we're going to have it up. Name change. As soon as the Godcast ready, we'll have it up. Alright? Good. Today I know the fire life. I know the burnout life is. When you see on the Godcast, at a rice, you see on the Godcast, danger kid. Danger kid, you see on the Godcast, hey. Problem, trouble. You understand? Where's the share? Tuesday? Alright, Tuesday share say. You understand? Have a good day, people. Love you know. I'm back in the barber shop. You know, we're quarantine and trim. You see me? No more than 10 people, 6 feet apart. It's all good. Listen me, none of no sneeze. No one I do. Here. We up and stay up. Corona saved me. Okay? Have a great day.